In life, growth happens through challenge. For example, when you're working out, your muscles grow under the resistance of the weight you train them with, right? But the problem right now is that we've built AI tools that quietly strip away intellectual friction, because these systems are trained to agree and not challenge. We're already locked into echo chambers of opinions, aesthetics, and identities because of social media algorithms. Now, we're escalating this problem by throwing a new layer of cognitive bias into the mix. AI that reinforces how we already think. Every time we chat with AI that agrees with us by default, we're subconsciously training ourselves to expect agreement. No friction, no feedback loop, just reinforcement. And the more we do this, the more we lose those critical thinking muscles. In an age of hyper-agreeable AI, we need to reframe disagreement not as something threatening, but as something valuable, as intellectual training and upkeep. But I get it, you want your AI to be helpful, not argumentative. But here's the thing, pushback is more helpful long term. An AI that challenges you makes you stronger, whereas an AI that agrees with you all the time makes you dependent. So when we interact with AI, we need to strive to do what's called farming for disagreement. This is the skill of intentionally seeking out friction when we're engaging with AI. So that's asking questions that challenges our ideas, tests our assumptions, and just makes our thinking sharper, not just more efficient. Because efficiency is great, but right now we're all realizing that it's coming with a hidden cost. So how do you farm for disagreement? Well, it's simple. When we're talking to AI, instead of just asking for validation and affirmation, we need to be actively asking for pushback. And that could be via questions like, tell me why this idea might fail. What will my biggest ops say? Argue against this using this specific framework. Blah, 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 blah. You get the gist, right? And you can do this with any interactions that you have with AI. Writing, decisions, creative work, and even when you're emotionally processing with it. Make your AI your sparring partner, not your yes man. Any muscle that's not actively trained gets weak. So train your thinking on the resistance just like you train your body.